Turning to our weather, lots of sunshine today. It was a little cold. It was nice.
It was nice. The showers kind of few and far between today, but they're making a comeback for us tomorrow.
Good.
And then again on Thursday. So more free water is coming to a backyard, a front yard near you. This is a look at our precipitation forecast really for the next couple of days. Tomorrow and through Thursday, storms appear to be a bit more widespread, with Thursday kind of being that potential super soaker. Right now the storm track is steering a bit further to the south, which would mean a little less precipitation for us here in Denver. Lesser amounts, unfortunately, into northern Colorado, but higher into southern Colorado. Friday, still a few lingering showers out there, especially in the morning, and then the sunshine moves back in on Saturday. So that's kind of a snapshot of what's to come. Yes, a little mix of the sun and clouds for us this afternoon. Temperatures holding below average, 57 our high this afternoon. We were in the lower 60s, though, in northern Colorado, 50s, 60s off to the eastern plains. It was a cool, more seasonal day up through the mountains as well. The climate calendar showcasing these temperatures just a bit below that average, and certainly not in the mid-80s where that record will continue to stand. On the satellite radar composite this evening, I am still tracking a few lingering snow showers up through the mountains, areas above about 10,000 feet. That's going to be the spine of the Continental Divide heading up toward the Rocky Mountain National Park. We've seen a couple of light little showers off to the eastern plains, but those will be fizzling out before you know it. Tonight, partly cloudy skies. Our temps will fall into the mid-30s overnight. Cool, but just a bit above that freezing mark off to the eastern side of the state, dropping off into the 20s overnight through the mountains. And as I fire up the Futurecast, you can certainly see some cloud cover in play about 11 midnight or so. It does become a bit more widespread by tomorrow morning. In fact, a little bit of light snowfall as early as 7, 8 a.m. into parts of Grand County. Just mostly cloudy skies for us here in Denver. And then by the early afternoon, possibly one wave that pushes through, just a couple of light showers here in Denver. But as these storms track off to the eastern side of the state, you might hear a rumble of thunder. As the evening wears on, 4:30, 5 o'clock, another round kind of pushes back in here to the city. It'll be raining still across the eastern side of the state, and it will remain unsettled as the evening wears on, with mostly cloudy skies pretty much across the entire state, and the wet weather continuing even late into Wednesday evening. Down to the south, the southern tier of the U.S., they of course are going to be seeing the majority of the wet weather. But as we zoom into Colorado, this has the snowfall and rainfall overlays, so to speak, up through the mountains. Easily another about 3 to 6 inches coming your way on Wednesday and through Thursday, and potentially a little bit down south. If our temperatures cool off enough on Thursday and into Friday morning, you might find a few snowflakes toward the Palmer Divide and in through the western and southern foothills and suburbs. Off to the eastern plains, will be tracking a better chance of that rain. Tomorrow, showers likely after about 2, 3 o'clock, but again, a similar setup as far as our temperatures go tomorrow, with highs sitting in the mid to upper 50s here in Denver. Just a little bit warmer out there in northern Colorado, as you'll see a bit more sunshine. 40s around Winter Park, over to Grand Lake and Walden too, and then the super 7-day forecast showing the potential for that super soaker on Thursday. Fingers crossed we could potentially pick up about a ½ inch of rain here in the city. It lingers early on Friday, and then clearing skies Friday night. We're back in business with the 60s and 70s and sunshine for the weekend.